Dennis Padilla, 18 years, you have had no financial support. Never mind. Pero kung hindi ka makakatulong, the least you can do, so huwag mong siraan. And number 2, Papa, I'm gonna walk myself down the aisle. Mamatay man lahat ng anak ko, sinabi niya yun. Because that was the main reason for the lunch meeting.
Aktor-komedyana si Dennis Padilla nasupalpal sa inilabas ng video ng dating asawa na si Marjorie Barito. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin yun na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat! Matapos nga mag-run sa social media ng aktor-komedyan na si Dennis Padilla ukol sa nagganap na kasal ng anak nina Marjorie Barito, na kung saan nakipag one-on-one interview pa ito kay Ogie Diaz, na nagsumbong na di umano ay tila initsapoira na ito sa kasal ng kanyang anak. Ngunit sa pagharap ng dating asawa na si Marjorie Barito kay Ogie Diaz, ay dito inisa-isa ang totoong kwento, na isa nga sa binanggit ni Marjorie Barito kay Ogie Diaz ay ang tungkol sa sustento ni Dennis Padilla sa loob ng 18 years na walang ibinigay para sa kanilang mga anak.
Dennis Padilla, 18 years, you have had no financial support. Never mind. That God saw us through that. Nakaraos kami. Okay, salamat. Thanks and no thanks. Hindi mo sinuportahan man ako. Pero kung hindi ka makakatulong, the least you can do, so huwag mong siraan. Diba? Kung lacking ka sa pera, which I don't believe, kasi nag-umpisa naman siya ng pamilya. Nagkaanak pa siya ng ilan doon. Pero mga anak ko ayaw niya suportahan, ayaw niya maging magpakatatay, ayaw niyang protektahan. Diba? Huwag mo nalang siraan. Huwag mo nang tulungan. Huwag mo nang tulungan ng mga bata. Huwag mo lang gibain. Huwag mo lang saktan. Diba? So, Claudia has been estranged. Si Claudia ang pinaka-distant. Maybe there are different ways that the children cope.
Sa patuloy nga ng kwento ni Marjorie Barito kay Ogie Diaz, na kahit malayo ang loob ni Claudia Barito sa kanyang ama na si Dennis Padilla, ay nakipagkita muna ito bago ang kasal.
Itong leading to her wedding, she wanted it very private. Hindi niya sinishare yung engagement. She was engaged for some time and she didn't want to share the wedding. She wanted it a peaceful Tsaka hindi naman sila showbiz, you know what I mean? Pero kino-convince ko sila na siya, that the right thing to do is to invite the father.
Ikaw nagsabi kay ano?
No, ako, God knows.
Oh.
Alam ng Diyos, alam ng lahat ng mga anak ko. Sometimes it caused friction because they're not friends eh. They're estranged sila eh. I said, you know, it's the right thing to do, to start your life. Just think about it. And then, I wasn't getting anywhere. At saka minsan, feeling ng iba, Margie, why are you forcing her to invite somebody that she doesn't want to be there? It's a very intimate wedding eh. Mga talagang close lang eh. Yung tao doon eh. Siguro 100 guests na ang lalaki na nga ng pamilya namin. So, konti lang. One day, I said, Claudia, pray about it. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to what I'm saying. Pagdasal mo. So, pinabayaan ko siya for days. And then one day, she told me, sige, okay, we'll invite him. I'll invite him. But I don't want him to walk me down the aisle. Okay, I hope my daughter's not judged here. Okay, why? Right?
Oo nga, bakit?
Because, ano ba ibig sabihin ng walking the bride down the aisle? It's a father who raised you, provided for you, nurtured you, was protected you, your safe space. You're handing over your daughter now, after raising her, to the man who is now gonna be in charge of her. Tama ba yun? So, why would he hand over Claudia?
No.
She doesn't even know anything about him. He doesn't even know anything about her. Ask him, where did she graduate? What was her course? Who are her friends? Do you even know that the friends in the wedding were her friends from childhood, from grade school? Do you even know where she's enrolled right now? That's how much he doesn't know about her. She didn't want him to walk her down the aisle.
Sa kwentong ibinahagi ni Marjorie Barito na sa araw mismo ng kasal ay muling gumawa ng eksena si Dennis Padilla na sa ibinunyag ni Marjorie na noong March 18, 2025 nang magkita sina Dennis Padilla at mga anak na sina Julia Barito, Leon Barito at ang ikinasal na anak na si Claudia Barito ay napag-usapan na nilang mag-ama kung ano ang maging sit-up na nais ni Claudia Barito na mag-isa lang maglakad papuntang altar, na ayon na rin sa video na ipinakita ni Marjorie na tila dito na supalpal si Dennis Padilla dahil ito ang napag-usapan nilang mag-ama ilang araw bago ang kasal.
So tell him, Okay? And then I said, para walang gulo. Like I said, Dennis is explosive. He has a bad temper. Wala yang pakialam kung may ibang taong makakita. Pag gusto niyang sumabog, sasabog siya. Walang pakialam yan. I know him the most. I was with him for 14 years. The prime of his life, the peak of his temper. Hindi na lang kita iwa-walk down the aisle. Para walang gulo, diba? Sacrifice ko na yun.
Sinabi mo kay para walang issue.
Yeah. And alam mo, Audrey, bottom line, let's not so dramatic, okay? Itong conversation namin, Claudia, it wasn't dramatic. Because ang brides ngayon, kung makikita mo sa Instagram, they walk down the aisle on their own. Iba na ngayon. Iba na ngayon. And what about for separated parents? Diba? Iba rin. Diba? Awkward. So, they walk her down the aisle. And that was really the plan. So, let's pray about it. Papakilala niyo na yung magiging asawa niya. Sinama niya si Leon, si Julia, nag-lunch sila. O, sabi nga ni Dennis, March 18. So, March 18. Of course, I know that. I know they were gonna have lunch. Kung ayaw ko si Dennis doon, magdadabog na lang ako kasi hindi ko na pwedeng diktahan ng mga anak ko, hindi ba?
Correct.
Pero, hindi. Because I was the one who convinced her that the right thing to do is invite her father. So, but I prayed so hard the days before magkikita sila na, please Lord, wag siyang magsabi ng anything, nababalik na naman yung mga anak ko being wounded again. You know, ayoko lang masaktan ulit yung mga bata, diba? Pinagdasal ko yon. Aba, pagkatapos ng lunch, kinakamusta ko. How was it? Wow! Wow, happy si Leon at si Julia nagkikwento.
Talaga?
It went so well. My God, Mom. You know, parang the right amount of tama lang daw, grabe nag-improve. Yung hindi na siya nag-expect na parang tamang timpla.
Si Dennis.
Nagpapatawa pa sila. They were laughing. It was a very good idea for Dennis na dinala niya yung mom niya. So magandang neutralizer, di ba? Na nagdala siya kaysa sa dramatic na unang pagkikita nila. It was so funny. It was so nice. Tama si Dennis. May Instagram page na ng mga barong. Si Claudia pa nagpili. This is what you buy. Ganyan. What? Pa yung kwento niya kasi na yung dramatically na pinili yung barong. So, understood daw yun na he will walk her down the aisle. O, Gino, nag-usap sila. Claudia had 2 requests. Only 2. Don't divulge about the wedding details. Kasi mo naman si Dennis Diba? I-share na yan sa buong mundo kung saan ang kasal, kailan ang kasal, ano oras ang kasal. Diba? I don't like posting of the wedding.
Sa kwento na ibinahagi ni Marjorie Barito ay muling binanggit nito kung gaano ka-high temper si Dennis Padilla na kahit saan basta gustong magwala ay wala itong pakialam. Kita mo nga sa mga litratong ibinahagi ni Marjorie Barito na masaya pa ang ina ni Dennis Padilla na kinausap ni Marjorie. Ngunit labis ipinagtaka ni Marjorie kung ano ang dahilan ng galit ni Dennis Padilla dahil nang makausap ito kay Eugene Diaz ay iba ang lumabas na kwento. Para sa buong kwento, narito ating panoorin ang video. Narito ang video.
And number 2, Papa, I'm gonna walk myself down the aisle. Mamatay man lahat ng anak ko, sinabi niya yun. Because that was the main reason for the lunch meeting. That they were able to talk about boundaries. Boundaries. Because nung kinikwento na sa akin nila Leo at Julia after, like, grabe si Chloe, she was able to say it. Like, she said it like in a way na hindi ma-hurt si Dennis. Papa, walk down the aisle alone na lang. You know? And he said, okay.
Nag-okay si Dennis.
Nag-okay. My kids were there as a witness. I don't know if Mama Lina, my ex-mother-in-law, heard that or understood what was the conversation about. But they said it. Because, Oji, if he did not agree to those requests ng anak niya, kung sinabi niya, hindi, gusto ko mag-post or sinabi niya, hindi, dapat ako mag-ano sa'yo, mag-walk down the aisle, hindi na matutuloy yung invitation. No offense to anyone. This is the mental health of my children we're talking about. This is their feeling. Diba? Kanya-kanya tayo. Respetuhin natin. Maraming pinagdaanan yung mga yan. But because he said yes to both of those things, Dennis, please, alam kong i-deny mo to. Hindi sinungaling ang mga anak ko. Kung nagsabi ka na hindi okay sa'yo na Claudia will walk alone in the aisle, hindi na kayo aabot sa makakapunta ka pa sa wedding. Kasi request yan ng bata. Diba? Request yan ng bata. Sinabi niya sa'yo yan.
Anong sinagot doon ni Dennis? Nag-oo siya?
Yes. He was so nice. Nung lunch, he was so jolly. He was like, okay. He was just happy to see his kids. Pero nothing personal, Dennis. It's really preference. She didn't feel, kakabati nyo lang. Let's take it baby steps tayo, diba? Because my kids were very happy after their reunion. They really actually believed it was the beginning of healing. Oh, grabe, OG talaga. I was so happy. I was thanking God. Oh my God. My kids went out happy. Hindi sila nag-away. Wala silang diskusyon. Hindi nasaktan ng mga anak ko. Diba? Okay. So, prepared ako that he'll go to the wedding. Diba? So, issue niya yan. Dennis, wala pong programa ang wedding. A wedding is very straightforward. People walk down the aisle. You are the father of the bride. I am the mother of the bride. Ang star ng kasal is the couple eh. Hindi ikaw, hindi ako.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video. Kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!